Hi kids, today we're gonna talk safety. Sorry.
Are these the appropriate footwear for the job? No, I don't think so. If you're lifting something heavy, you need something with a steel toe. But let's find out anyways. Let's drop a heavy concrete block on my foot. See how it goes. But before we do that, let's take a look at the real shoes you should be wearing. The standard boot. Manly. But if you're proud to be a little bit sexy, like myself, try the tennis shoe. I'll try it from a whopping 6 inches like a little girl. Yay. Hee hee. Let's try that normal shoe. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Safety. It's a thing.